How to fix can't log into Windows issue. 1. Check your keyboard and re-enter your login details again. 2. Make sure you're connected to the internet. 3. Log into your system in Windows Safe Mode. This helps locate the troublemaker. 4. Use the local account. 5. Install Windows updates in Windows Safe Mode. 6. Perform system restore in Windows Safe Mode. 7. Scan for potential viruses using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 8. Run the SFC scan in Safe Mode. 9. Reset Windows.